Okay, I bet you're wondering, why is she showing a video of a vacuum cleaner? Or more specifically, a wet dry vac. Well, I want you to look at this right here. Looks like a candy cane, right? Two pieces of PVC duct taped together, and this is the coolest, cheapest way to safely clean your gutters. Okay, and safely as opposed to being up on a ladder. Now, sure, when you're doing this, it could fall on your head, but be careful. Use at your own discretion. I'm just showing you what I did to clean my gutters, and so let's get started. Hey, everybody. Okay, today is time to clean the gutters because the leaves are falling, and it's such a hassle. I always got to call and have somebody come to do this. Yes, I know that piece is hanging off of my gutter, but they're gonna come and fix that later. But I wanted to show you this really cool thing that I figured out. I didn't invent it. I learned it from watching other videos on the internet. So see how the gutters are all filled up? Well, what we got here, we've got two pieces of 2-inch PVC pipe that I taped together to a really long piece of plastic on my indoor-outdoor wet vac. Of course, it's all plugged in. So I've shown you this part. And really all it is, you go to Home Depot, you get two pieces of pipe, and because they didn't fit exactly, I just duct taped them together. So I've already cleaned most of the gutters and I forgot to do the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I've shown you the before, and then I'm gonna show you the after. Oh wait, just so you know, you might need an extra long, pole. And they actually sell extra ones at Home Depot. They're not very expensive. Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever hardware store. And then just attach it to your hose. But you really need it to be at least 8 or 10 feet tall so you can reach up to your gutters. And what I love about this is no more getting on a ladder. No more having to call somebody to come and clean the gutters. Now, yes, one of my gutters is broken because it kept getting filled and filled and filled with leaves, and all that water and the wood just deteriorated. But I'm gonna get that fixed later this summer. But anyway, I just want to show you this really cool way of doing this. Okay, now you can see, it's a little hard to see, but all the gutters are clear. Yes, there's still leaves on the roof, but I couldn't get to those. Okay, so we're gonna take a look and see that the gutters are filled with leaves, which is typical because it's almost winter. It's basically fall. And then I'm gonna show you using my little vacuum device what they look like afterwards. And I'm kind of doing this, maybe what's really going to happen is I'm going to get my gutters changed out and replaced, but I did want to show you guys this really cool gutter cleaning device that I came up with. Very inexpensive too. Okay, so remember, this is the vacuum device, which is your regular wet, dry, indoor, outdoor vacuum. And I actually had another one that broke, so I had saved all the hoses and tubes. But you could use PVC pipe, or they sell the extension hoses at Home Depot, Lowe's, whichever store. So you've got your hosey in, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 extenders. Then on the end, I took 2, and this is 2-inch PVC pipe, and I just duct taped it together. I guess you could glue it if you want to make it permanent, but this is my first time using this, so I wanted to make sure that it worked. And this is a pretty big container, so I've done maybe 2 rows of gutters and it's still only like half full. So probably after this last cleaning, I'll empty it again and we'll be done with the gutters for a few weeks. This is the part I love. All things considered, since there's just leaves in there, and you notice this bucket is only like half full. So the bigger the wet dry vacuum container compartment you use, the fewer times you'll have to empty it and change it. Now I do love this because they're all in there and I can just like dump this or use it as mulch. Okay, so hopefully we did a good job. This was just the first pass, first go round. Since I didn't want to keep getting up on the ladder, this is like really helpful. So I'm hoping I got it pretty clean. And we're just gonna check, look all around. Then I'm gonna take a look at this video and see how much we got cleared up. And ta-da! No more having to call and wait around for somebody to come and clean my gutters. Did it all myself, very cheaply, very inexpensively. And this is gonna just hold down the fort until the guys can come and replace my gutters totally. But I couldn't let all that stuff pile up. Okay, so just wanted to take a look again at the gutters. Got most of it out, I think, from looking at the video. I think I got enough out. I'm tired, it's getting to be the end of the day. So I hope this little trick helps you guys if you've got gutters to clean and you don't want to get up on a ladder. And that's all for now. So enjoy the day. Stay safe, people. Bye.